may be shutting down the 20th National Sports Festival, not because Edo State is not ready, not because the facilities are not here. You can see for yourself that we have state-of-the-art facilities, and all of them are in good shape, and all the athletes and even the officials are quite happy with the facility they've seen here so far. For us, it's the love for the nation and our support and the synergy that we have with federal government that led to the continuation of this festival. We have no doubt to doubt the federal government on its plan to fund the 20th National Sports Festival after much postponement, which was orchestrated by the COVID-19 pandemic and at the instance of federal government. And you know, even the Honorable Minister attested to the fact that such situation will go with a cost. And we've gotten full commitment by the Honorable Minister, who is the spokesperson as far as this sports activities is concerned, the commitment of federal government to fund. And as a result of that, because of the trust that we have to look for sponsors that are not available because of the pandemic. We have to source. We have to get our vendors to commit their own personal resources and company resources with the commitment that when we get these funds from federal government as promised, we will pay them for what the services they are providing. As I speak to you, it took the grace of God yesterday for the caterers not to shut down. Other vendors are threatening to shut down. And hence, we honestly have no choice after our midnight meeting yesterday to shut down the 20th National Sports Festival if we don't get full commitment from federal government by noon tomorrow. We already had it in our plan to shut down the MOC office by 12 o'clock today, and other venues will be shut down by 12 noon tomorrow if we don't get full commitment. But by 12 noon today, the MOC office will be shut down. We will allow the games to continue. By 12 o'clock tomorrow, if we don't get full commitment, we might not have any choice. This is not a threat. It's not a threat. We are ready to collaborate with federal government in all its policies, but it's just that our vendors are threatening to shut down. And the state has no resources to commit to the extent that we have already committed. That is why it's regrettable to have this situation in our hands. We will also let you know as we go on, as we relate with from federal government as we move on. As I speak to you, all I hear from the Honorable Minister is that there is an approval to fund. What is this approval? I don't know. How much are they giving to us? I don't know. All I hear from the Honorable Minister is that the President has approved. What he has approved, we don't know. So, for us, there's no, we trust and we still trust the President. And I don't think the Minister will be dropping the President's name. We believe that, yes, there's an approval, even when we don't know what was approved. But at least there should be full commitment to say, this is what is happening, and this is, we are just kept in the dark. And for us, if we have the money, we will not even bother federal government. Before the game was postponed, we did not even discuss funding. The Edo State government committed every resources to the hosting, and we are not going to disturb federal government. If they have brought money, we will have thanked them for bringing. We were not depending on federal government to host this tournament, and we committed all the resources, and federal government ended up postponing it, and with a commitment that when it is rescheduled, they will fund. We are not even asking for what we committed the last time before it was postponed, because at the time it was postponed, only one white man had coronavirus in Nigeria, and games were still on in the areas where the pandemic was. The Premier League was still on, fans were still in the stadium, NBA matches were on in the United States, fans were still in the stadium. But in Nigeria, only one Italian had it, and they decided to postpone it. Fine, for health reasons. But what we are saying is that you promise to commit fund. Let us, if we even know what they are giving, and there is instrument to say this is what we are giving, maybe we can even use the instrument to go to the bank and borrow money for this. I want this mix up. So that is the commitment. And for politics, I don't believe there is politics in it. Mr. Vice President was ready to be here. The storm created its absence from the game. That evening there was a serious storm, and according to information we got, they were working in the air for a long time. They have to divert the plane to Abuja, and we waited till we got to Abuja and to now get his commitment that the only minister should now represent the president. And we also got commitment from him that he will be coming to declare the game closed. So it's not politics, it was real. It was as a result of weather that he was not here to personally declare the games open and also commission the stadium. In fact, the vice president was very, very ready. He actually was supposed to be in the afternoon. From the discussion we had and the need for him to be here to see the touch, he has to adjust his program to go to Imo first, from Imo to come to here. So he was actually ready. It was not politics, but I wasn't here. The issue of meeting, that was the first question. I had a discussion with the Permanent Secretary this morning, and by 12 o'clock we'll be having another meeting with the MOC and LOC meeting to also iron out the whole issues. And I can tell you that since the tournament started, we have not had any correspondent from the Federal Ministry of Youth and Sport as regarding when these funds will be available and what is going on. We've not had anything. So, and for us, it's not supposed to be like that. There should be commitment. There should be, we should be on the know, because we are just put in the back. We don't know when the money is coming and when it's not coming. So, and this is not the kind of game we would have loved to have. This is not, we are not happy on this side, but nonetheless, we have to get this game on. Because at the issue, it was from our sincere belief that funds were coming. That's why we have to commit everything that we have and get all our vendors to. Now there's a trust issue between the vendors and us, and hence we have to do what we are doing. It's not out of any politics or anything, and that is why even when we intend to shut down the secretariat by 12 o'clock today, we are not shutting down the games area until 12 noon tomorrow. Because if nothing happens, we will not be able to even feed the athletes by weekend. And even the caterers may be shutting down. We took the grace of God yesterday to get them to even cook today. Thank you, and God bless us all.